Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Scotiabank app is not working on your phone, this video will help you fix it step by step. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the Scotiabank app and then completely remove it from the home screen and reopen it. Temporary glitches often fix themselves with a restart. Then head over to your app store, search for Scotiabank, then check for updates in the app store. An outdated app can stop working properly, so make sure you update your app to the latest version. Now, if the issue continues, restart your phone. This clears background processes that may interfere with the app. Still not working? Go to your phone settings, open apps, select Scotiabank and clear cache on Android. On iPhone, long press on the Scotiabank app option, then remove the app, then delete the app. Now, to reinstall, go to App Store, search for the app, then reinstall it from the App Store itself. After doing these steps, open the app again and try logging in. This should fix most the Scotiabank app issues on both phone and Android. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick